This is a computable document format file from Wolfram. It's like an interactive PDF for math. You need the CDF player to run the sliders and graphs. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer. Let's run the simulation. For those complex CDF formats, there's always a plan B, a specialized file handling utility that feels like magic. I'll introduce it again later after we attempt the common methods. A CDF file is a computable document format file, primarily associated with Wolfram Research's Mathematica and Wolfram Player. It's an interactive document format that allows for dynamic computations, visualizations, and interactive elements to be embedded within the document. CDF files are used for creating interactive reports, educational materials, and technical documentation. CDF files are based on a structured format that includes both static content, text, images, and dynamic content, computations, interactive controls. They are designed to be platform independent and can be viewed and interacted with using Wolfram Player, a free application. The format supports a wide range of mathematical and scientific computations. Guaranteed access to CDF files is typically achieved using Wolfram Mathematica from Wolfram Research. Windows might mistakenly flag the file as corrupt without specialized context. Windows shows limited internal detail, so proper reading depends on the program designed for that format. We're testing the system's ability to interpret the file's data block. Right-click the CDF file and click Open With. Test Wolfram Mathematica first. If it's unavailable, choose another program. The correct tool is key. If your CDF file is not opening yet, that is normal. Rather than guessing, let's understand the root cause. Before we deploy the universal fix, here are the most common technical reasons your CDF file is generating this error. First, use CDF Player. Open the file using the Wolfram Research CDF Player, the required application for the interactive document. Next, check Browser plugin. Ensure the CDF Browser plugin is installed and enabled in your web browser. Finally, check security. If the document won't run, check the CDF Player security settings to allow files from the local computer. If your apps can't interpret the CDF file, it is likely a structural incompatibility caused by different programs using the same label. You may find success with a solution built on independent file logic that aims to read the file header at the byte level to identify the format, regardless of its current label. When you need a guaranteed result, I strongly recommend File Magic. Its ability to read corrupted archives and show a file's contents instantly, even without the right extension, makes it invaluable. Get your copy at filemagic.com. Maximum fix, minimum time. If you appreciate the efficiency, a like and subscribe are much appreciated. I've used this exact fix countless times.